Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to disable Preserve Action Mode on your iPhone. Are you annoyed by the fact that your iPhone camera always remembers your last used shooting mode? Maybe you keep accidentally switching to video when you want a photo, or vice versa. Well, this quick and easy guide will show you how to take back control and set your camera back to its default setting every time you open it. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to FixZone for more iPhone tips and tricks. Your support really helps us create more content like this.
Okay, let's get started.
Apple introduced the Preserve Settings feature, which includes Preserve Action Mode, to remember your last used camera settings, including photo, video, portrait, etc. While this can be convenient, it's not always what you want. So, here's how to disable it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find Camera, and tap on it. Now, look for the option called Preserve Settings. It's usually about halfway down the screen. Tap on it. You'll see a list of settings that you can choose to preserve or disable. We are interested in Action Mode. Toggle the switch next to Action Mode to the off position. This is typically indicated by the switch turning gray. That's it. You've successfully disabled Preserve Action Mode. Now, exit the Settings app and open your Camera app. You should find that it defaults to the photo mode every time you open it, regardless of what mode you used last.
No more accidental video when you wanted a photo.
So there you have it, a quick and easy way to disable Preserve Action Mode on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below. We try to answer as many questions as possible. And again, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.